Good morning. We are awake and this is the next day, and I already went to the gym, and Tanya is at the gym and he is not being able to wait for her to be back. He is being, and this guy as well, being crying behind me because she is about to be back in like next 5 minutes. Mommy's gonna be back in 5 minutes.
Huh?
Yeah. Are you gonna surprise her?
Go surprise.
Are you gonna scare her? Yeah. Boo! Like that?
Boo.
Oh.
Boo.
Alright, I am putting away the dishes. We are done with the breakfast. We have some things today going on in the house that I am gonna take you along with us. And also, yes, I am excited because I am gonna make my lunch, and then not shooting a recipe, but I'll definitely show you guys here, and I'll make a recipe for that some other time. But it's like a salmon poach, so basically it's poached salmon soup, tamarind soup or something like that. It's gonna be delicious. So I have made it before and I am gonna make it after such a long time, so I was really excited to eat that today. So yeah, also my skin is shining. I don't know why I woke up with like a little bit redness here, but yeah. Yeah, what Aiden, what are you saying? What are you making? What are you making? Anyways, when I start making the recipe, I'll show you guys. And yeah, all right, I have prepped all the ingredients. I have onion, green chili, pineapple. Look at him. What happened? Get down. Chew it slowly. See, mommy told you to be careful. Chew it. Chew it, baby, chew it. It's okay. Chew your food. It's okay. Let me get the napkin. You're okay. You're okay. Baby, you have to be careful when you're eating your food. Can you please chew it slowly? Slowly chew it and swallow it. Okay, chew it slowly and swallow it. You can eat it, but chew it slowly and swallow it, and take a sip of water. Mommy will give you nice cold water, okay? Yeah, I'll give you nice cold water. Finish what's in your mouth first. Quickly chew it. You can do it. It's okay. Take a sip of water. So I have onion, green chili, tomato, pineapple, cilantro, and fish sauce here, and then salmon, and my fish is ready here. So I'm gonna add all the ingredients to this thing and let it boil, and it's gonna make a nice flavor to it, give up a nice flavor to the broth. And I'm not gonna strain all these things. These are gonna be all edible. So that's what. And I also added this tamarind sauce to it, and I'm just gonna let it boil here for like 15-20 minutes and let the flavor absorb. Tomatoes burst, and then I'm gonna add the salmon to it and let it cook. And once it's all done, I'm just gonna pour it over rice, and that's it. Trust me, it looks, I don't know, very weird maybe, but it's just so good and delicious. I added the salmon to it and it's boiling with it. So this is basically a very healthy dish. It has no oil, nothing in it, and it tastes amazing. I swear to God, it's so flavorful. It's flavorful because of the ingredients. It has colorful variety of ingredients, as you can see. It has pineapple, tomato, cilantro. These all give a very good flavor to it. And then I just let it boil and become more flavorful, and when it's ready, just pour it over rice. My lunch is ready. It's soupy, it's brothy, like I said. It has rice on the bottom, and then this everything makes it just so soothing and so delicious. This whole thing is such a good combination. Okay, let me try it. I'm gonna try the soup. It's hot though. on point. So good. What are you doing?
It's Aiden.
That's Aiden.
Oh no.
Oh no, what happened? Who's that? Is that
Aiden.
Mommy and
Aiden.
Aiden? Good job.
That's funny.
Is that funny?
That's funny.
You tell me, is that funny?
That's funny.
Yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay guys, so the time is 9:12 and surprisingly enough Aiden has already been gone to bed, so he is out. I have been doing few things. Tanya is upstairs. We already had our protein shake. I have got some mango for her, and then I am just finishing organizing my batteries because they were all over the place. So I ordered this case in case you guys want it. I can add it to the description box, the link. And you guys saw us moving a lot of furniture around, disassembling a lot of furniture. So stay tuned for more surprise updates that are coming up in our next vlog. So do not miss our next vlog, and stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Until then, I'm gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.